Guys, what is up? This is Philip with CryptoLogic Mining. So in this video, I wanted to upgrade my PC. Currently running a 2070 gigabyte NVIDIA card. It's putting about 44 hash rate with the overclocks and everything, mining Ethereum, and looking to upgrade it to this bad boy, GeForce RTX 3080 by Asus. So the plan is to take this out initially and install the 3080, do some overclocking, test out the hash rates, and then probably put the 2070 back in as well after I get the 3080 where I want it, and I'll end up moving the 3080 over to my mining rig. But for now, this is the plan, so let's see how it goes. All right, let's take a look at it here. Alrighty. Definitely feels like a big hefty card. Wow, it's got some weight to it. Awesome. Some nice fan spinning there. I'll probably line this up, compare the two when I get the other one out, but this is a quick view. And definitely a much more meatier card there. All right, so I'll be right back, all right? All right, guys, so this GPU has 3 of the 8-pin to plug in here. The 270 has only 2, so I gotta add an additional PCIe cable to it into this power supply. So I'll be back. All right, so it's a little tricky getting that 1 pin in there, but I plugged this PCIe in here into the PSU, and now the plan is to run it behind this panel and out the other side into the GPU. All right, got everything unplugged. I was going to pull out the 2070. And there we go. So, move this aside. Do a little comparison here now. Definitely a huge difference with the cards. Huge difference. That is the Gigabyte 2070. It's a great card as well. And this one is the new 3080. Definitely a much larger card, but we have it about in. There we go, we got the click. All right. Whew, I think it's massive. And just got a few more screws to secure this thing back. Definitely a little tight, a much larger card. Got it. A little tricky on that screw. All right, now let's plug in these PCIe cables. Make sure these are together and click in here, all right? Makes me wonder in the future how much larger these cards are going to be. They seem to be getting larger and larger each year. All right. I'm going to put the camera down to do this. I'll be right back. So it was super tricky trying to get this other part of the pin in. I picked up one of these iFixit sets, and this tool is super handy for pushing in little clips and things. So I got that locked in there, and now we got one more to hook up here. All right, we got all those plugged in. Definitely taking up a lot more space, but let's get this thing up and boot it up. All right, guys, we've got everything plugged in. Let's see if this boots. Fingers crossed. Oh, might need to hit the power switch first, right? Let's see. It's coming on. So far, so good. That's booting up. Got some nice RGB here. Awesome. All right, looks like we're up. Let's get in here. All right, so it looks like it recognizes the card with the device manager, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. All right, so card is there. Let me launch MSI Afterburner. Let's see, and looks like we got that registered as well. These seem to be the stock settings here. Now I'm not sure if this will work. I'm running with the minor stat at the moment, and I haven't, the settings are probably still linked to the 2070, but let's see. Era. Let's generate. Oh, wow, look at that. 99 right off the box. Wow. That's pretty cool. 99 mega hash, stock settings, mining ETH. Not bad. Power limit set to 75. In fact, these are the settings I had preset for the 2070. Wow. So the settings for the 2070 actually are still linked, and it's the same settings on the 3080, and we seem to be hashing, folks. Awesome. Straight out of the box. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. I'm going to tinker a little bit more with the overclock settings in Windows, and I'll probably make another video to go over those settings. And then later on, planning to put this on my mining rig, but I actually might try to run a Hive OS first once I figure out the settings I want to use with the Windows. So anyways, stay tuned, smash that like button, and thank you for watching. All right, Happy New Year, everyone.